Kinumpirma ng 27 years old na actress na si Barbie Fortesa na hiwalay na sila ng kanyang longtime boyfriend at actor na si Jack Roberto ngayong Huwebes, January 2, 2025. Hindi naman inilahad ng actress ang dahilan ng kanilang breakup. Sa ibinahaging post sa kanyang social media accounts, nag-iwan si Barbie ng mensahe para kay Jack kung saan inilarawan niya ang pagtatapos ng kanilang 7 years relationship bilang isang beautiful goodbye. Saad ni Barbie, "Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Having you in my life was the happiest I had ever been. 7 wonderful years, a lot of laughs, a lot of ramen, and so much love. Your love was exceptional, but sometimes good things fall apart so better things can come together. Beautiful goodbye. Thank you for loving me the way you did. I am excited for what's to come for the both of us. You take care of yourself. You may find the love you deserve." Umapela naman si Barbie sa kanyang mga supporter ng pangunawa at umaasang matuldukan o matahimik na ang naturang usapin. Sa ngayon, wala pang inilalabas na statement ng aktor kaugnay sa kanilang breakup ni Barbie. Isa nga sa pinakamatagal na celebrity couples ng Kapuso Network sina Barbie Fortesa at Jack Roberto na tumatak sa puso ng kanilang fans bilang Jack B.